Left-click and drag a box over units to select them.
Very good.
Right-click here to move your selected units. Move your mouse here to scroll the screen sideways. Right-click on this enemy unit to attack.
Very good.
Click down here on the minimap to quickly navigate back to your castle.
Very good.
Click on this miner. Right-click the statue to begin praying. Praying gathers mana, which is used to build more advanced units, research technologies, and use abilities. Right-click on a gold mine to gather gold.
Excellent.
Your gold, mana, and population are shown here. Click the icon below to build a Sword Wrath unit.
Excellent.
The Sword Wraith is a basic infantry unit. Once finished training, he will appear from the castle gates. A Spearton is attacking! Your units will now run to the safety of your castle walls. Click on the archery range building. Click the icon below to build a castle archer.
Nice work.
Each building contains different technologies and upgrades which must be researched to enable them. Hit the defend button below to send out your units.
Good job.
Use your forces to defend against the invading Spearton. For a full list of commands, click Escape or P for Pause menu. Your objective is to destroy the enemy statue before they destroy yours. Good luck.